Send it. See that? See that red flasher go off? So he's still about a minute left wind, right? Okay. Yep. 1 minute left wind. No change.
Ready?
Send it.
Nice shot. You're gonna push left 2 minutes.
Ready?
Perfect.
Ready?
Send it.
Nice. All right, so push left 2 minutes.
Ready?
Send it.
Perfect. You're at 1.5 left wind.
Ready?
Send it when ready. Perfect. It's left wind. Perfect. Again. Okay. That's right.
Would I unlock it till he's ready and then?
Yeah, you leave it unlocked until he's ready, and then lock it. That way you can set it down if you need to. Looks like he's getting really close. 2 minutes. Yep, 2 left. Perfect. This time I want you to do everything. You talk them through it.
Wind speed is still at 2, so or 5 miles per hour, so it's still at 2 MOA left.
So, yep,
left.
pushing left 2 minutes, right?
Yep, left 2 minutes. Perfect. We'll go 2 left.
Okay. Listen to your spotter. Perfect. That was you. 2.5 left.
2.5 left, 6 miles an hour.
Okay. Nailed it. Right in the kill zone. Perfect. Right in the kill zone. Send it. Again, perfect. We got a very light rain. It's very difficult to see, but it's there. Look at that.
Nailed it.
Give it about a half a minute right wind. Perfect. Nice.
Good job.